Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Vue.js 3 package which allows you to generate QR codes and also add images on top of the QR code you will see as a logo or a watermark. You have this nice little watermark appearing. This can be your company logo or anything, your own image as well. So this is a simple QR code generator app where you can add your logo or watermark as well. So in Vue.js 3. So I will show you this package. So just go to npmjs.com. So obviously this QR code is generated from text or in any number as well. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package. I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So this is actually the name of the package. Simply search it, and it's a QR code component, QR code generator. So command is simple. So just install this. I've already installed it, so it's almost having 23,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, first of all we just need to register this plugin inside your main.ts file inside TypeScript. Just open this file. So we'll register it as a component. So first of all we will import this package by using the import statement. So we simply say vue QR code, and it will be coming from this package, and then we need to register it by simply using app.component, and here we need to specify the name of the component. So this will be vue QR code, and then we need to pass. So that's all that we need to do in this file. So just add these two lines of code. So now after that, just close it, just come to your app.vue file. So here I will show you step by step. So inside your template you'll be writing the HTML code, and then inside your we'll write the TypeScript code, script tag. So here first of all we need to export default, we need to export the component, and here we'll be defining all the methods which will be responsible. So now we go to the template, and now to render out the QR code, it's very simple. We use this component vue-qrcode, and essentially here it takes some options. First of all, whichever value, it can be either text, URL, number. So I'm just putting a simple URL on my website. So whenever you scan this QR code, the user will be redirected to https freemediatools.com. So this is a URL, and then it takes a options object right here. So we can directly assign this series of options, such as the error correction level. So in QR code there is a correction level, so you can directly attach this as an option. The second option it takes is the width of the QR code, so I will attach 200. So that's all. So if you try to refresh it, the application, you will see this QR code will be generated, and it's almost 200 width. So I can increase this width. Let's suppose I change to 500. So now it will be bigger. So in this case you can control the sizing of this by providing this property of width, and we can even change the color as well. So there is also this property which is available. So here you can change the color of that QR code as well, so by providing a dark and a light variation. So this will be your hexadecimal code. So whichever colors you want to choose, you can provide this using this color object. So if you just refresh now, then you will see the color will also change. So in this way you can see. So in this you can change the color as well, and then it actually contains a callback function where when the QR code is ready, then this function will fire. So we'll be binding this onReady function, a custom function. So when the QR code is generated, this function will execute. So now we just need to define this function in the methods corner. So we define this onReady function. So inside this we will have this canvas available to us. So right here we need to get the context using this canvas, we'll use the 2D context, and right here, if you want to draw an image in the center of this QR code, add a watermark or logo. So that's why we are getting the context from the canvas. And now we need to draw the image. So this can be any local image, or this image can be coming from a URL as well. So in this example, I am fetching this image from this URL, public URL, this public image. So we are simply fetching this image from this URL, and then we are simply adding it as a watermark to QR code. So image cross origin will be anonymous, and then when the image loads successfully, then in that case we need to add this image on top of the QR code. For doing this, this is actually the code here in this. First of all, we need to set the coverage 0.15. Then we need to calculate the width. So we can easily calculate by using math.round. Canvas width multiplied by this coverage parameter. And now we need to calculate the x coordinate, which will be simply canvas.width minus width. You just need to copy this code. It's just centering this image. So that's why this mathematical formula. Then lastly, we use this function draw image to draw the image on top of the QR code in the center position. So we pass the context, the actual image, and the x and the width and the height. So if you try to refresh now, so we do need to call this function as well. I think we do need to make this function, so which is this draw image function. So this is a custom function, so we just need to make this function draw image, which takes the context, the actual image, the x coordinate, y coordinate, width, height, and the radius as well, which will be the default value, which will be 4. So let me just copy this. It's a little bit complicated, but I will explain you. If you just execute this, the watermark will get added. You have seen these QR codes, especially individual or companies who want to accept payments, they put their logo or watermark at the center of the QR code. So that's exactly the functionality that we have done in this video. So now coming back to the function, which is draw image. Essentially in this function, we are drawing the image and we are having this shadow color, which is a black color. And then you can go to the description. You don't need to understand this code. This is just a little bit of mathematical formula. I also pasted this from ChatGPT. It automatically generated this code for me. So you can go to the description and then get it. And you can do this, generate awesome QR codes with this package in Vue.js 3, and also add watermark and logos as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.